Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see the function EOMONTH, that is end of month. So we have this start date of the project and the duration. We need to find the end of the duration and end of the month. So EO month, that is end of month, what the function will do is find out the duration and pick the last date of that month. So project is starting on 6 January 2023. Duration is 3 months. So we'll see what's the end of the month. So the formula will be equals to EO month. Here we need to mention the start date. So start date is in our C column. So I'll put C3 and we have to put number of months. Number of months is in. We can directly input the number or the cell reference. So we have in D3. Close the bracket. So this is after 3 months. The end of the day is April 30th. April will be the end of the month, the duration. So we'll copy this. Now this last two we have given -3. That means assume this project has ended. This one. So we have to find the last month. So we'll go backwards. So we'll use the same formula. EO month. Open the bracket. Start date. Duration was 3 months. Close the bracket, enter. So the project should have been on 31st October. So it will, we'll see. So it will always pick the last date of the month. EO month is end of month after specifying the start date and the duration. Yeah. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Until next video, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.